welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to check out my social media channels. In today's video, I will be showing you how to rebuild your search index. To start off with, all you need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and type in index. You now need to click on Index and Options, and you now need to click on Advanced. As you can see at the moment, my machine has indexed 58,063 items, which means if I go to search something, those items will come up really fast. But if your computer hasn't indexed the file, it may not show the file at all, or it will take a very long time to find it on your machine. This will also help if you're having problems finding emails in your Outlook. You now need to press Rebuild, and you need to press OK. And as you can see, the index process has begun. And this can take a few days depending on how many files you have, and it also depends if you're using your computer, because like you can see, it's now reduced the indexing because I'm currently using my machine. And that is it. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social channels.